Well, the nomination has been filed. Yogi Adityanath, Modi's engine of Uttar Pradesh, has formally declared war today. Here's what Gorakhpur looked like when Yogi filed his nomination.
Yogi's mega homecoming. End day ahead of mega D-Day. It's his political and spiritual home turf. A seat that matters the most to him. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has officially entered the UP Dangal. With this, Yogi marked his assembly election debut. Flanked by Home Minister Amit Shah and a sea of saffron supporters, Yogi Adityanath filed his nomination papers at Gorakhpur District Collectorate after a jam-packed day in his beloved Karma Bhumi.
Thank you, sir.
Yogi began his day with a Havan at Gorakhnath Temple and then a special puja. Yogi then went straight to Gorakhpur Airport, where he received the Home Minister amid much fervour and festivities. Tika on their forehead, the BJP big guns then shared the stage where Yogi kicked off his title defense against UP के लड़के 2.0.
देश के गृह मंत्री के रूप में आपने अपनी जब पारी प्रारंभ की तो उस पारी के रूप में पहली सौगात दी थी और वह सौगात थी कश्मीर से धारा 370 को सदैव के लिए समाप्त करके देश से आतंकवाद का नामो निशान मिटाने का। माननीय अमित शाह जी कहते थे कि उत्तर प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी 64 से 65 सीट से कम नहीं जीतेगी। और भाइयों बहनों, 2019 के लोकसभा चुनाव में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने भारी सफलता प्राप्त करके 64 सीटें अपने सहयोगियों के साथ जीत करके महागठबंधन को पूरी तरह फेल कर दिया था। उत्तर प्रदेश और देश के अंदर भारतीय जनता पार्टी नेतृत्व के बारे में, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकारों के बारे में कोई भी व्यक्ति एक नकारात्मक टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता।
Home Minister Amit Shah pulled all stops to endorse Yogi and showered the CM with praises.
सपा बसपा बसपा सपा, ये बुआ भतीजे का राज था। गोरख क्षेत्र के अंदर जापानी बुखार से कई बच्चे, सैकड़ों बच्चे मौत के शरण हो जाते थे। आज 90% केस कम हो गए हैं। पूरे गोरख क्षेत्र को सुरक्षित किया।
The BJP chose Yogi for the all-important Gorakhpur seat, sending out the clear message: East UP will be the Saffron Party's top priority. Party colleague and present MP of Gorakhpur spoke to India Today on the hotly contested seat.
I'm confident because of the work, because of the honesty of my Chief Minister, Shri Yogi Adityanath Maharaj ji, and the kind of dedication and the way day and night 20 hours in 24 hours, में 20 hours he worked. And मैं इसका साक्षी रहा, मैं गवाह रहा, समस्त Eastern UP, Uttar Pradesh गवाह रहा.
For Yogi, Gorakhpur is more than just a safe seat. His connection with the holy city goes way back. Yogi has won the Gorakhpur Lok Sabha seat 5 times. He has been the head priest of Gorakhnath Temple and has a massive following in eastern UP. The UP CM will go up against Bhim Army Chief Chandrasekhar Azad, who had openly declared war against the Chief Minister.
The battle is on between the Samajwadi and the Bharatiya Janata Party, but CM Adityanath's nomination is a major factor on which the BJP will play for the 2022. In Gorakhpur with cameraman Gaurav, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.
Well, after filing his nomination in Gorakhpur amidst huge fervour, the BJP pulled out all stops to ensure a saffron welcome for Yogi Adityanath. Here's a look at the spectacle. It wasn't just the paper signing and the speeches. There was a huge amount of cultural fervour and a couple of songs also thrown in. Take a look. Dhol, dance, Dhamaka. This isn't a concert or a mela. It's the grand celebration that played out in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, as Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath filed his nomination papers on Friday. The BJP pulled out all the stops to paint the town saffron, and it was a spectacle that you can witness only in the great election circus of India.
With the mood, with the music, dance, excitement, which is all evident here, it is very clear that the BJP has a lot of confidence as far as their victory is concerned. And by fielding CM Adityanath from Gorakhpur, it's a clear indication that BJP is fighting it hard, and Purvanchal is something which they are very keen on.
There were musicians, dancers, and even acrobats celebrating Chief Minister Yogi's assembly election debut from his Karm Bhumi.
आप जो डांस कर रही है, कौन सा डांस है, क्या होता है?
फरुआई डांस है, फरुआई डांस।
कहाँ का है, कहाँ का?
रजाई कैंप चौराहा, बनटांगिया की तरफ से।
आज यहाँ पर क्यों आए आप लोग, क्या क्या किस लिए?
योगी जी के जिताने के लिए, योगी जी दिखाने के लिए।
The mood was jubilant as BJP workers hailed Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's homecoming, hundreds of them from across Uttar Pradesh gathering in the town of Gorakhpur.
पार्टी के लिए कोई चुनौती नहीं, कोई भी पक्ष नहीं है, सारे लोग धराशायी हो गए हैं, केवल फालतू में इधर उधर का इल्जाम लगा रहे, कोई इल्जाम नहीं रह गया है।
The top leadership of the BJP was also present, and the celebration bug bit them too.
जे कबू न रहल उ अब्बा यूपी में सब्बा। तो भैया सुन ला, न साइकिल न हाथी न हाथ बा, न साइकिल न हाथी न हाथ बा। ई बेर भैया हो यूपी में योगी आदित्यनाथ बा।
सब बस पनाए कभी लौट के योगी लिख दिया एक एक वोट पे कि सबको धूल चटा योगी आएंगे डंके की चोट पे।
The BJP ensured an all-out saffron spectacle in Gorakhpur with its top leaders touching down for Yogi's nomination day. The optics are for all to see. The BJP is cutting no corners when it comes to the Uttar Pradesh battle. With Abhishek Mishra and Rahul Srivastav in Gorakhpur, Bureau Report, India Today. Now let's tell you a little bit about the Yogi factor, because he's the super popular Chief Minister. It's also his first assembly election. Remember, he's been the Member of Parliament from Gorakhpur, but this time he's going to be fighting an assembly election. So let's tell you why the Yogi factor is so big. Yogi has a massive following in eastern Uttar Pradesh. It's something that the BJP obviously wants to capitalize on. He can consolidate the Hindu vote, and Yogi is head priest of the Gorakhnath Mandir. He gives out a message that Eastern UP will get top priority, which is crucial to the BJP. It will also strengthen the BJP's position in seats that are adjacent to Gorakhpur itself. The BJP will get benefit from Yogi's development schemes and projects in that particular area. Now, Yogi Adityanath was appointed Chief Minister on 26th of March 2017 after the BJP won the State Assembly election in a landslide. And remember, that time, nobody even knew that Yogi Adityanath was a contender, and then he was anointed the Chief Minister. Here's a detailed report on Yogi and his journey to power.
A child named Ajay Singh Bisht was born on June 5, 1972 in a village in Garhwal. Little did anyone know that the boy would leave his family at the age of 21 and become a sannyasi known as Yogi Adityanath, who would eventually reach the top post of the country's most populous state. Although very little is known of his pre-Yogi days, his father, Anand Singh Bisht, says his son always wanted to serve the people.
हमें भी एक खुशी है कि वो अपने मंजिल की राह देख रहे हैं और आखिर उन्होंने वो राह पकड़ ली और उसमें सफलता मिल गई उनको। फिर जन सहयोग बहुत मिला उनको। 325 विधायकों ने हाथ जोड़ करके खड़ा उनका समर्थन किया है। ये मुझे बड़ी खुशी है और मैं कल से ही बड़ी ऊर्जा मिल रही है मुझे।
Ajay Singh Bisht completed his BSc degree from HNB Garhwal University. In 1994, Yogi Adityanath became a disciple of Vaidyanath at the Gorakhnath temple. According to temple's traditions, his ears were pierced. He addressed Mahanta Vaidyanath, his maternal uncle, as Guruji. Yogi Adityanath jumped into the political arena in 1998 when he was elected as a Lok Sabha member from Gorakhpur. This year saw Mahanta Vaidyanath, a key leader of the 90s Ram Temple movement, passing his baton to Yogi Adityanath, who emerged as a controversial Hindu leader known for his hate speeches. Yogi continued to win the seat for 5 times with large margins, except in 2004 when the Samajwadi Party's Jamuna Nishad gave him a tough fight. He won by just 5,000 votes. In 2014, Yogi Adityanath took over as chief priest of Gorakhnath temple after Mahanta Vaidyanath passed away. Adityanath's radical pro-Hindutva image came to the fore for the first time in February 1999, when he allegedly tried to capture a graveyard land by planting a peepal tree at Panchrukhia village in Maharajganj district. A case under several sections was registered against him in the Kotwali police station. Bureau Report, India Today.
And of course, Yogi Adityanath has been in the headlines not just as Chief Minister, but as a firebrand leader who has grabbed the headlines with many escalatory comments in this very, very vitiated atmosphere that is the state of war, Uttar Pradesh. Things have escalated between Yogi and the new UP ke ladke, Jayant and Akhilesh Jodi in battleground UP, with barbs and counter barbs flying thick and fast. Let's take a look at some of them. Recently, Yogi, while addressing a rally, said he will bring down Akhilesh and Jayant's heat post the elections. Garmi nikal denge, he said. To which Akhilesh responded saying, "You are a chief minister and not a compressor." Then, training guns at the Samajwadi Party chief, Yogi said Akhilesh's dream of returning to power will never come true. To which Akhilesh said that the wave is in the Samajwadi Party's favor this time. The UP chief minister called Akhilesh a dangai, a rioter, while Akhilesh called Yogi a chillam jivi, saying that these chillam jivis will not let Uttar Pradesh prosper. Then you remember how Yogi called Akhilesh Jayant Jodi an old wine in a new bottle, to which the RLD chief Jayant said Yogi's remarks show the BJP's fear of losing the upcoming election. Yogi said the people of UP have shown the door to the SP-RLD and the alliance will not last. Hitting back, Jayant said the BJP's hatred is strengthening the bond of the UP ke ladke. Now, from calling the opposition worshippers of Jinnah, the Jinnahwadis, to saying Samajwadi Party workers are Tamanchawadis, or people who like the gun, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, known for his blunt statements that always create a controversy. Yogi does not mince words while attacking the opposition and its leaders. Take a look.
ये चुनाव 80 बनाम 20 का होगा। 80% समर्थन एक तरफ होगा, 20% दूसरी तरफ होगा, और मुझे लगता 80% सकारात्मक ऊर्जा के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे। 20% हमेशा विरोध किए हैं, विरोध करेंगे, लेकिन सत्ता बीजेपी की आएगी। बीजेपी फिर सबका साथ, सबके विकास के अभियान को आगे बढ़ाने का कार्य करेगी।
सरदार पटेल राष्ट्र नायक हैं, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य राष्ट्र नायक हैं, अशोक महान हैं, महात्मा बुद्ध दुनिया के अंदर सदैव शांति, मैत्री और करुणा के रूप में पूजे जाते रहेंगे। लेकिन जो लोग आज जिन्ना का समर्थन कर रहे हैं, एक प्रकार से तालिबान का समर्थन भी कर रहे हैं।